Let us see 42 number problem. In which ratio does x-axis divide the line segment on joining A 1 minus 5, B minus 4, 5. So here x-axis and y-axis I have drawn and O is origin. So 1 minus 5 point is on a fourth quadrant and minus 4, 5 point is in a second quadrant. So on joining them, they intersect x-axis at a point Px0. Let us suppose that this point is Px0. Then A x1 y1, B x2 y2, Px0. Now x1 y1 is 1 minus 5 and x2 y2 minus 4 5. Let us suppose that APN and PBN, then according to this exact formula, Px0 can be obtained by formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here we need to find m is to n. So m12 plus ny1 upon m plus n equal to 0. Therefore my2 plus ny1 equal to 0. Therefore my2 equal to minus ny1. Therefore m upon n equal to minus y1 upon y2. So m upon n, y1 minus 5, so minus 5 upon n, m upon n, 1 upon 1. So answer m is to n, 1 is to 1. So here we will get midpoint. So minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. So this will be minus 3 by 2 and 5 minus 5 upon 0. So this point is midpoint of AB. Write down. Here number 43, cost of making boundary to circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per square meter is rupees 520. Find the cost of plowing the field at the rate of rupees 0.50 per square meter. Pi will take 22/7. Here cost of boundary rupees 24 cost, then 1 meter boundary will be there. Therefore rupees 5280. How many meters boundary will be there? So it will be 5280 multiply 1 upon 24 will give you 220 meter boundary, but circumference equal to 220. Therefore 2 pi r equal to 220. Therefore 2 multiply 22/7 multiply r equal to 220. So r equal to 220 multiply 7 upon 2 multiply by 22. So 22 to is 44 and 44 5 is. So r 35 meter. Now to plow the field, we need to find out area. Area of a circle pi r square 22/7 multiply 35 multiply 35 110 multiply 35, so it gives you 3850 square meter. Now cost of plowing the field, cost of plowing 1 square meter equal to rupees 0.50. Therefore 3850 square meter, what will be the cost? Let us find out. So now it will be 3850 multiply rupees 0.50, 3850 multiply 50 upon 100. Now to do the easy calculation, we can cancel 0 and you can multiply 3850 by 5, and another way you can cancel this 10 and you can write down 5 2s are. Now you divide 3850 by 2. It is easy way. You will get 1925. Answer rupees 1925. This cost of plowing the field. Forty-four number problem. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find out area enclosed by minute hand in 5 minutes. So let us understand clock. Now the dial of a clock 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are written and they are at a equal distance. Now if there will be 12 o'clock, then both the hands will get together. But at 3 o'clock, the hands will make 90-degree angle. So one hand is at 12 and another hand is at 3. Now between 12 to 3, we can see there are 3 equal parts. One part is 12 to 1, another is 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So if minute hand moves 5 minutes, then it comes from 12 to 1. So it covers 90 degree divided by 3. So here theta is equal to 90 degree upon 3, 30 degree. Now we will use here area of sector formula. Pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Now let us take r equal to 14 centimeter. Theta equal to 30 degree. Then 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Now 7 2s are 14. 12 3s are 2 6 are, so it will be 22 multiplied by 14 upon 6. 11 twos are into 7 twos are upon 3 twos are. So 22 7s are 154 upon 3. So let us do it. 154 8 9 So answer, minute hand can cover 51.33 square centimeter area in 5 minutes. Here section C, last problem, 45 number. There are 5 available cards. They are 10, Jack, Queen, King and 8. One card is to be drawn randomly. Number 1, probability of getting Queen card. So there are 5 cards and we are withdrawing one card. So probability of getting Queen, here only one Queen is there. So probability of getting Queen will be 1 upon 5. Now second, if we keep Queen card aside, then what will be the probability of getting Queen? So, if you keep Queen aside, then there will be 4 cards, and out of 4, only one egg. So, probability of getting egg will be 1 by 4. Now, if you keep Queen aside, then getting Queen probability will be 0.